In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to your favorites on Google Drive. Perfect for those who often find themselves sifting through numerous documents to locate that one important file. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flag key files for quick access in the future. Before we dive into the process, let's take a moment to consider why you'd want to add files to your favorites. If you regularly work with a large number of documents or share a drive with others, you know that it can become cluttered and challenging to navigate. Favoriting a file is a simple and effective way to reduce the time spent searching for frequently used documents, allowing you to streamline your workflow. To get started first, make sure you're logged into your Google Drive account. If you haven't done this already, just head over to drive.google.com and enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the Google Drive homepage, which is essentially your dashboard where you'll see all the files and folders you have access to. Now let's move on to the actual task of adding a file to your favorites. You'll want to first locate the file within your drive. If you know which file you're after but aren't seeing it right away, try using the search bar at the top of your Drive interface. You can type in keywords that match the name of your document to pull it up quickly. Once you've located the file you want to mark as a favorite, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a series of icons appearing to the right of the file name. One of these icons will look like a little star. This is your target. Simply click on the star icon. Once you do this, you'll see the star turn solid, indicating that the file has been successfully added to your favorites list. It's as straightforward as that. This addition now means that your file is tagged, allowing you to easily identify it later. Whenever you wish to access all your favorite files, you can find them by clicking on Starred on the left-hand side menu of your drive. This will pull up a list of all files you've marked, making it quick and convenient to reach your most important documents. And there you have it. Organizing and accessing key files in Google Drive can be just this simple. Whether you're constantly working on a project or just have documents you frequently reference, adding them to your favorites saves both time and effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace. See you in the next video.